Just showing you some of the back streets in Alamogordo. Driving through the alley here. Well, the people weren't home, so we weren't able to pick up the bricks, but we'll do that another day. We're gonna go up this road here. It's called Thunder Road, and we're gonna show you what Alamogordo looks like a panoramic view. All right, we're gonna look. We're at the top of the mountain. We're gonna show you what Alamogordo looks like, guys. Let me zoom in a little bit. There's white sands way out there. You see that white? That's white sands. This is the whole town of Alamogordo, you guys. I think there's like 70,000 people here. Okay. Pretty awesome view from up here. That is the Alamogordo Space Hall of Fame right there. And that is Alamogordo, guys. Pretty awesome little view there. You can see pretty much the whole city from up there. Okay, my husband corrected me and said it's the International Space Hall of Fame. It's not the Alamogordo Space Hall of Fame. It's the International Space Hall of Fame. Right there in Alamogordo, New Mexico. That is the housing department. Welfare houses, whatever you want to call them, in Alamogordo. There's an elementary school, a Boys and Girls Club, and we have a park over here. This side is a cemetery. And we're heading into Walmart in just a minute. We're going to show you the high school really quick too. There is the Alamogordo High School right there. quick trip into Walmart. Alright, headed to the convenience center right now so we can go and get a load of wood chips. Yeah, wood chips. Trying to think of what it was called there. Wood chips, so that we can use those in our garden. And we are passing by the bypass road and we'll be out to the convenience center in a few minutes. Okay, the convenience center is kind of out of the city, but not too far out. Let's go see if their tractor's working, because the other day it wasn't working, so we weren't able to load any up. So hopefully their tractor's here today. Okay, this is the convenience center. And if you lived in the city, you would go to the right. Since we live in the county, we go to the left. Looks like there's...
Backhoe's working.
Yep, the backhoe's working, so it looks like we'll be able to load up today. This is the load of wood chips that we're gonna get. The guy will come down with the tractor in just a minute and we'll fill up the back of the truck. Okay, here comes the tractor dude. He's gonna fill us up and then we are gonna head back out to the homestead. There he goes. He's loading it up. It's kind of hard to see out of the window, but I didn't want to get out, so... But he is going to drop that in the back of our truck. Oh, wow. The truck just feels like it dropped about a foot. Pretty heavy load there. There is our load of wood chips. We're ready to head out to the homestead now. Okay, I just record. There's like a little park right there. Sometimes they do kites. They fly kites there and balloons. So like the hot air balloons, they'll let them go from there when they're not doing them from White Sands. A lot of times we do them from White Sands. The hot air balloons. This is used to be a monkey farm. Although there isn't any monkeys, I don't think any there anymore, is there?
It's abandoned.
Yeah, it's kind of abandoned, but they used to do all kinds of horrible testing on monkeys in this place. And I guess they shut them down, so I guess that's a good thing, because they did some pretty mean things. I had a friend that worked there. Said they did some pretty mean things there. Anyways... heading back out to the homestead. Headed on the highway back home. To the middle of nowhere.